It's really amazing. Do you know that one of the largest kitchens in the world is Puri Jagannath Swami's kitchen? Every day they cook in 752 earthen pots and they never reuse them. New pots are used each time. The water used for the offering is taken from two wells within the temple courtyard. The pots are stacked one on top of the other and cooked using an ancient method without gas. For cooking, they avoid using potatoes, lady's finger, green chilies, bitter gourd, cabbage, onions, garlic, broccoli, salt and sugar. Rock salt is used for saltiness and jaggery is used for sweetness. Around 1,000 people work in this kitchen. To ensure no hair falls into the food, those devotees who cook tie up their hair tightly and cover their mouth and nose also to avoid smelling the food before it is offered to the Lord. In the Swami's kitchen, if someone is making kheer for the Lord, the children will continue to make the same in the future. Even though generations change, the service which they are performing to Swami doesn't change. For serving the prasadam, they use banana leaves instead of spoons and ladles. The fire used for cooking comes from the yagna, hence it is called Vaishnavagni.